Quanta Computer, the world's largest laptop manufacturer, began a remarkable 10-year, $45 million collaboration with CSAIL. The goal was to invent the computing technologies of the future, when Quanta's customers would demand human-friendly computing. Prototypes were built in the areas of connectivity, mobile devices, applications, automation, and natural human-computer interaction. By 2010, it had become clear to Chairman Lam and the CSAIL scientists that while devices were important to mobile computing, the real work needed to be done in the cloud. The project's name was changed from T-Party to Qmulus. Project Qmulus was structured around 4 areas, the first of which was the cloud's infrastructure.
This thing, which is cloud computing, is changing the way that computing fundamentally works. And in this new picture, we have to revisit the designs of all of the sort of underpinnings of modern computer systems.
The second Qmulus research area was natural interaction. Projects included natural language processing, low-power speech recognition hardware, and spoken language computer interaction.
Language is so natural for people. It's very expressive and powerful. It's part of what makes us human. And speech is the most convenient form for us to express language. So I think it's important to develop the underlying technologies that will let people just speak to all these computers in different places in our lives.
There are 41 science fiction movies about aliens since 2007.
Which was highly rated?
8 of them were with the rating higher than 7.
Show me the movie with the song Somewhere Over the Rainbow.
The Wizard of Oz was an adventure and family movie released in 1939. It had the song Over the Rainbow.
The final project in the natural interaction area was the development of 3D video technology that doesn't require the viewer to wear special glasses.
The challenge that we have set out to solve was to develop the next generation immersive video experience. This is exciting because in the near future, everybody will have this type of technology.
Qmulus has also focused on 2 application areas that can benefit from the power of cloud computing: healthcare and education. Research in these areas was driven by Quanta's determination to develop applications not only for profit, but also for the common good. In the education area, there were several projects, each designed to leverage the power of the cloud to improve education's quality and accessibility. 2 examples were Pentimento, a tool to help teachers create online content, and Wait Learning, which adds learning to the small downtime spaces that punctuate everyone's day. In the area of healthcare, the first project was the application of machine learning and other advanced analytic techniques to big data to help solve medical problems.
The world of medicine should be data-driven, but it isn't. So what we've been doing is we go out and we talk to clinicians and we try and identify an area where there's a problem and where there's data that could be analyzed in such a way to help solve the problem. So at the top level, what we're interested in is constructing automated tools that can look at data sets, extract from that data information that is actionable.
The fact that video magnification really has 2 components. There's motion and there's color. And so the color magnification has lots of applications in terms of watching people's pulse. And so somehow this processing we're doing with color was actually amplifying motions. And that led us to develop this motion microscope to not only understand that, but now take advantage of that effect and create an algorithm that can take small motions and re-render them larger.
As the partnership between CSAIL and Quanta Computer reaches its 10-year mark, the question is, what has each party received from the collaboration? The CSAIL researchers have been empowered to invent technologies that will change the world. And what has Quanta received from the collaboration?
In this partnership, We have developed many new technologies, and some of them may seem far-fetched and futuristic today. But in time, I believe they will become commonplace and will affect Quanta's bottom line. It is then, and only then, will the full impact of this partnership be felt.